Howdy, y'all. Today we're talking about a pain relief blend that can help deal with arthritis. Essential oils are known for their soothing properties and can help ease localized pain. Oils like cypress, sweet marjoram, peppermint, and ginger work similarly to over-the-counter pain relievers, such as ibuprofen, by reducing inflammation, swelling, and pain. What you'll need is 2 drops of cypress essential oil, 2 drops of sweet marjoram essential oil, 2 drops of Ylang-Ylang essential oil, 2 drops of peppermint essential oil, 2 drops of black pepper essential oil, 2 drops of ginger essential oil, and a 10 milliliter glass bottle filled with almond oil, coconut oil, or another carrier oil of your choice. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Combine the oils. Add the cypress, marjoram, ylang-ylang, peppermint, black pepper, and ginger essential oils to the bottle filled with your carrier oil. Step 2. Mix it well. Secure the lid tightly and shake the bottle until everything is mixed. Step 3. Label and store. Write the date and contents on the bottle. Keep it in a cool, dry place and use it within 1 year. Step 4. How to use. Apply a few drops to the affected area and gently massage it into your skin for pain relief. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.